The following is a selected topic taken from my recent coding clinic commentary. My name is Barry Libman. Our next two coding clinic questions and answers address device complications. First, we learn the correct reporting of a malpositioned central venous catheter. How is the diagnosis of a malpositioned right subclavian central venous catheter, which is in the right brachiocephalic vein, correctly reported? We know that the subclavian catheter is malpositioned because the question tells us that it's in a different vein, the brachiocephalic vein. Our answer tells us to report code T82.524A, whose title is Displacement of Infusion Catheter, Initial Encounter. Coding Clinic explains that the fact that the device is intended to be in one vein but is actually located in another vein is a complication of malposition. Coding Clinic tells us the malpositioned device is classified in ICD-10 as a complication even though a complication caused by the device has not occurred or is not documented. We can reach this code through the index, looking up directly the main term malposition and subterm device. Our second device-related coding clinic question and answer is very interesting and possibly a bit controversial. It's titled Hematogenous Prosthetic Knee Joint Infection. The phrase hematogenous infection means the infection originated at another site and spread to this location in the body via the bloodstream. Our question is, a patient status post a left total knee arthroplasty and recent wisdom tooth extraction is diagnosed with a hematogenous left knee prosthetic joint infection. How is this diagnosis correctly reported? In answer, Coding Clinic instructs us to report M00.862, which is arthritis due to other bacteria of the left knee, and Z96.652, presence of left artificial knee joint. In this instance, because the prosthetic knee joint infection is caused by a source other than the knee joint and spread through the bloodstream to the prosthetic knee arthroplasty, a complication code should not be reported. Coding Clinic specifically states that in this case, a complication is not appropriate as the infection is not due to the prosthesis. Some coding professionals are concerned about this advice for two reasons. Category M00 is the category for pyogenic or septic arthritis of a native knee joint and not a prosthetic knee joint. Second, this advice is a game changer. Up until now, an infected prosthetic knee joint was an infected prosthetic knee joint was an infected prosthetic knee joint, regardless of whether or not the infection seeded from another source in the body. I expect we'll be hearing more about this question and answer. Thank you for listening. If you have questions or comments, we would very much like to hear from you. Happy coding!